Hey, this is Mr. Giles. How do you get pixelized looking art but using the actual font so you don't have to hand draw it? Well, it's actually a lot easier than it looks, and it all has to do with anti-aliasing, our enemy when it comes to pixel art. Okay, so here's how it works. You just pick any font, it doesn't matter, and you make it a nice small size. I'm going to start with a really tiny size for what my actual pixel art is. I'm zoomed way in, and I'm going to type a word. Okay, so I'm going to type the word cat. Now, if you look at the word cat right now, it's all blurry and it just doesn't look very good. And the reason is because I have this button called aliasing turned on. It looks great if it's large and it's sort of blending the edges, but in pixel art, it just looks really trashy. So by clicking this button, bam, instant pixel art. It looks crisp and clear like pixel art should look. You can change the font, you can change the size, and certain fonts will look better pixelated than others. Cursive fonts are going to be a little trickier. Thicker fonts sometimes that have lots of like little fancy edges are going to look weird. But there you go. That's all you have to do. You just have to change this little button here from anti-aliasing on and enabled to disabled. That's actually the key for most of your pixel art. So I hope that helps, and have a great day.